Welcome to Part 5 of Oracle Application Express Apex Regions Forms. So now that we've figured out what the primary key is on both of our tables, we can select that in this page of the wizard. The next page of the wizard asks me to display some information about the primary key in each one of my tables. For departments, there's an existing trigger that automatically populates department ID. So I can just leave existing trigger selected here and click Next. I also have to specify how my primary key is populated in my employees table. Just like my departments table, there's an existing trigger that automatically populates the employee ID. So I can leave existing trigger and again just click Next. For the master table, I can specify how I want to see the information ordered on the screen. So under departments, I can specify I would like to see everything ordered by department ID and then secondarily by department name. When I edit the information, do I want to see both the master and the detail information on the same page, or do I want to see the detail on a separate page? For this example, I'm going to edit the detail as a tabular form on the same page as my master information. Even though I've just selected to see master and detail information on the same page, this page attributes page of the wizard makes it seem like it's going to create two different pages for master and detail. This is definitely a little confusing, but what this is really saying is that master records will be presented as a report on one page, and when I want to edit that information, I'll be taken to a master detail page which will show both pieces on a separate page. If I wanted to, I could create tabs. Tabs are ways of organizing information on your Application Express page in such a way that you don't have too much information that overwhelms the end user on a browser page. We're not going to use tabs yet. We're going to get into those in some later lessons, but for now I'm going to use Do Not Use Tabs for this particular page. Just like every other page in the wizards in Application Express, we have a confirmation page at the end. When I click Create, two pages are created for me automatically inside my application. The first page is a report that lists all of the departments inside my database. The second page is a master detail page where I can edit information about both the master and the detail on the same page. So if I run the first page that's created for me, page 17, you can see it looks like a report. I can see all the different departments that are out there, and I have this edit icon next to it. The edit icon will automatically redirect me to the master detail page where I can see information not only about the master records, the administration, the department names that go along with each one of those records, but it will also take me to the same page that will have another region on it that has detail information. The detail information in this case are the employees that are associated with each department. So if I click on, let's say, Executive, I'm automatically taken to a different page. And you can see here are my header records, my master records, which makes up the department, and the detail records associated with each department. I have scroll buttons on the right-hand side that give me the ability to scroll through my master records. As I scroll through these master records, the detail records will be updated automatically. You can see here are all of the employees associated with the sales department, 1 employee associated with public relations, 5 employees associated with IT. This is a really powerful way to create master detail forms without any significant programming knowledge whatsoever. As long as the Apex developer understands the relationships inside the Oracle database between master and detail records, they can use the form wizards to create master detail forms relatively quickly. As you can see, on the master detail form, I have the ability to either edit master records, which in this case is departments, and either edit or add detail records associated with the master record. This is incredibly powerful functionality that you can build inside of your applications without using any programming knowledge whatsoever. The amount of code behind the scenes to maintain transactional consistency is immense, and having to write that code would be a large undertaking for even the most experienced Oracle application web developer. By using the wizards, you can create sophisticated master detail forms relatively easily.